Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we're going to feature Lugaw Queen franchise business package ideas. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for Lugaw Queen franchise business package ideas. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1, company profile. Number 2, company vision. Number 3, Lugaw Queen products. Number 4, franchise qualifications. Number 5, Lugaw Queen business packages. Number 6, franchise agreement highlights. Number 7, franchising requirements. And number 8, franchising procedure. And lastly, number 9, frequently asked questions. For the company profile, Lugaw Queen was first started as a small takeout counter in San Pablo City on November of 2007, offering just plain lugaw. It was owned and managed by Mr. Sherwin and Miss Beverly Aquino. With a high demand for its products, Lugaw Queen extended its network within Laguna, Lucena, in Quezon, and Metro Manila. They grew to more branches and they are still counting, catering to the cravings of lugaw enthusiasts who want to experience the true Pinoy lugaw with a twist 24 hours a day. As Lugaw Queen open for franchise, they extend their service to all interested franchisees willing to be a part of their growth. Their mission: to provide the best quality and satisfying taste food products at most affordable price. Their vision: a leading innovative fast food chain of quality products with affordable value served by competent people. Lugaw Queen products. Among their products are special goto, lugaw plain with egg, lugaw with tokwa, lugaw with siomai, lugaw with chicharon, lugaw with Shanghai, lugaw with chicken, lugaw with atay, and goto. Their popular side dishes includes chicken feet, lumpiang toge, tokwat baboy, siomai, puto, siopaw, and their mouth-watering halo-halo. More products are newly introduced to cater the needs of their customers. Franchisee qualifications. A potential franchisee must be willing and prepared to invest capital that the business may require, ready to find a good and feasible site location, and must be committed to follow system standards. Potential franchisee should possess an entrepreneurial character, the dedication and involvement to manage, overlook the restaurant's business. Lugaw Queen business packages. The franchisee is worth 150,000 pesos and the total investment is worth 1 million to 1.5 million pesos. This is exclusive of tax. Lugaw Queen franchise inclusive of the following. Number 1, use of business system, trade name and logo. Number 2, pre-opening and startup assistance. Number 3, comprehensive training. Number 4, continuing operational support. Number 5, operating manual. Number 6, discounts on products and supplies. And lastly, number 7, marketing and promotion assistance. Disclaimer: prices herein may change without prior notice by the franchisor. Kindly contact the company for any updates or changes. For the franchisee agreement highlights. Number 1, term of agreement is 3 years and it's renewable. Number 2, the royalty fee of 3% per month on gross sales paid every 5th day of the following month. Number 3, proprietary ingredients to be bought only in Lugaw Queen Commissary. Number 4, 1% of monthly gross sales advertising fund of all franchises. Number 5, installation of a POS, hardware, and software. For the franchise requirements, the following requirements should be provided in order to facilitate the application processes which are duly completed and signed. Number 1, Lugaw Queen franchise application form with ID size picture. Number 2, letter of intent. Number 3, proposed location information and accurate vicinity map. Number 4, valid IDs such as passport, PRC card, driver's license, and others. Number 5, community tax certificate or cedula. For the franchising procedure, a potential franchisee can inquire about the Lugaw Queen franchise opportunity through telephone, email, and/or personal visit to the office. Application forms can be obtained from and submitted to Lugaw Queen Corporation. You may contact Ms. Beverly P. Aquino with the address Marfori Subdivision, Road 4, Barangay Silangan, Calauan, Laguna, Philippines. You may contact them at 049-573-3472 and 049-573-3755. Their mobile numbers are 092-846-23092 and 0947-1953-123. You can send them an email at lqfranchise@gmail.com, and you may also visit their Facebook page at Lugaw Queen page. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What should be considered in looking for a potential site? Answer. It is recommended that stores should be located in high foot traffic areas with adequate parking, such as commercial centers and other places with existing and good traffic generators. Question number 2. How long does it take to open a Lugaw Queen? Answer. The project development process would take approximately 1 to 2 months from the time the site location is ready. The activities include processing of applications, project site study and development, business planning, design and construction, application of necessary permits, ordering of standard machines or equipments, and other related materials, and franchisee and staff training. Question number 3. How many stores can a franchisee own and what is the renewal process? Answer. A franchisee can own several stores. However, awarding of a second restaurant and to renew the contract shall be based on the franchisee's overall performance on the first store. Question number 4. What type of assistance will be provided to Lugaw Queen franchisee? Answer. Aside from assistance in site and business development planning and pre-opening marketing plan, support will be rendered during the opening day. There will be training programs for franchisees, managers, and staff. Brand marketing activities will be recommended to help maintain product awareness. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Lugaw Queen franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.